How to change the captains and vice captains on your team on FPL. Hey guys, and let's get started. It is quite a straightforward process. So for this, first of all, open your application and log in into your account. Once that is done, tap on the bottom center, which is for the fantasy option. Once you tap on it, go to pick a team option. Hereby, you can see all the members of your team, and if someone is captain or vice captain, you will see this letter written as C and V this way. Now, if you want to change the captain, just tap on the member who you want to make the captain, and you have the option captain. Tick on it, and the captaincy will change along with the letter as well. Likewise, for the vice captain also, tap on the member that you want to make vice captain to, and tick on vice captain, and the letter will be changed. So this is how you can change captain and vice captain. That is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, do not forget to mention on the comment section. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.